So this is another highly requested video about how to track your stuff on GitHub. So basically, like GitHub, like in our previous video, I said it's a thing about how to like store your files and track your progress. So here currently I'm in my Git repository, which I created last time in the previous video. You can just type git status to see what's happening. So I modified these two files and I also created two new files. Okay, so let's just type git add star. So the star is shift 8 and it means like everything. Okay, so I just added everything and then git status again, so you can see all these files are added, so that's pretty good. And then after that we can just type git commit and then add a message, for example AI Pong game added, okay, from lecture 11. Okay, so now you can see you had all these stuff, like some details about what happened, and then finally you just type git push and then you can push the changes to GitHub. So you can imagine GitHub as the Google Drive for coding, which essentially it is. And then from there, like you can just see is there a Git history? Anyways, like you can just basically track your progress in GitHub. So yeah. Also, if you made changes on another device and you want to sync the progress, you can type git pull to get the progress from the cloud, which is the latest. And also I recommend you to git pull every time before you start coding, just in case you made changes on another device and you forgot to sync it. Or if you're collaborating with other people and then they're all working at once, you have to pull just in case someone else made edits to the code. So you're always writing on the most up-to-date version of the code. There's still more advanced GitHub stuff. I can make more videos to show you later, but today just remember git status and then remember git add, and then you can type the file names here, and then also remember git commit and then -m for message, and then you can type your message, and also remember git push. Okay, and of course git pull. Yeah, and that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.